Welcome to Artimimi Wonderland. Let's have some fun tonight. Good evening. So we're gonna play around with this kit I purchased from the Walmart. And today's video is about making a very adorable cake. Fake, okay? Cannot be eat. So let's get started. Not that one. We got enough color to play around. First step, prepare 2 pieces of white and pink clay. The size of the fake cake depends on your preferences. If you don't like this color, you also can mix in with light pink or other color if you want. Second step, roll into 2 balls. By the way, before you roll, stretching your clay. If it's a little bit tight or dry, you can using some Vaseline. Is that called right? Or some lip cream, so it can smooth the air clean. Can smooth it, so it will avoid an air bubble or the crack happening when you rolled a ball. Because of this kit, they already putting some sparkle inside. But by the way, that's we having fun tonight with this one. And you put the clay inside your palm. Pressure, a little bit pressure, evenly. Also can put in here. Yeah, this one already did. And you also can using the acrylic, what is called acrylic sheet, to avoid fingerprint. Take a closer look. We're moving to the third step, using an acrylic sheet and rolled out into a long strip of even thickness. Oh shoot. Oh my mind. I'm gonna move the ball to another place. Another one. Okay, the 4th step. Press it. Then put the pink on the outside. This guy has been thin, like just it. And the white on the inside, okay. So rolled inward. I'm not putting it perfectly though. Make sure you're adjusting it when you play around with this. Just thinking like the sways rolls. Is that called that one? But this one is the fake one. Yeah. Adjust it. Make sure the upper one is the rounded and the bottom a little bit flat. Yeah, adjust it. This white is so bright. And we're gonna moving into the 6th step. Then we're gonna prepare pieces of small, tiny, white cling. I'm gonna utilize the light pink one or what other color you like, whatever color you like, because we want to create the appearance of the fake whipped cream on the top, right? So roll it into a very small ball. Then press it. We want it looking flat. And pull out freestyle irregular edges. We're gonna put this one on the top of the roll. The cherry, while making the cherry the next step. So we have to using the red color one. 2 tiny cherry on the top. Stretching. Put it on the top, the cherry ball. Need to prepare some green for the cherry branch, a little bit, and the leaf. Yeah, we're almost there. Last step, we're gonna leave the creativity to you guys. Please hit the subscribe button. The bigger the channel grows, the more funny DIY story can be generated. Yeah, you can attach some cute charm, or yeah, leave it to you guys. Add one more. Just be careful. I still feel the sparkle is better. How do you guys think? And yeah, let's take a look about this one. It's perfect experience with your loved one, or you can make a precious gift for your loved one as well. I'm gonna see you guys for my next video. Haha, be a YouTuber now.